Now, there are some really good daycares that have child safety as their first priority, but there are also some really bad, unsafe, and negligent daycares. Typically, there are warning signs leading up to a major traumatic event involving children being abused or neglected by their caregivers. Here are the 4 most common red flags that we see. Number 1, they avoid talking to you. A daycare teacher may avoid talking to you in the hopes that you don't notice your child's injury or change in behavior. It's important that your child's teacher is willing to communicate openly with you. On the other hand, it should alarm you if they're talking to you a lot more than the other parents. They may be trying to build trust with you so you don't suspect that they're abusing your child. Number 2, placing the blame elsewhere. We've seen cases where a child is coming home with injuries and the daycare blames it on other kids or something innocent like tripping. Be sure to thoroughly investigate, ask questions, and get an incident report, as the injury may have been caused by neglect or a lack of supervision. Number 3, showing too much attention to your child by singling them out, in both positive and negative ways. This is a common sign of physical, emotional, or sexual abuse. If you notice an unusual amount of attention towards your child from the caregiver, take a closer look into it. And finally, number 4, seeming uninterested in their job. If you notice that a caregiver is always on their phone, talking to other employees, doesn't seem to care about the kids, or has that "I don't want to be here" attitude, they're likely not properly watching and caring for your child. These are just some of the many red flags of dangerous caregivers, and what's worse is that they're not always obvious. If you have more questions about what to look out for in a dangerous caregiver, be sure to contact our child injury law firm. We're here to help you and your family keep moving forward.